On the Workflows tab, you can create and manage the workflows in your Teams account. A workflow is a way to organize the tasks required to go from a 3D model to the finished printed part. To create a workflow, click on the Create Workflow button. Name it and assign it to a group. Users in your team will only be able to work with the workflows that have been assigned to their group. Click on the workflow to see a detailed view. Workflows are divided into 5 steps. The first step, Slice Pending, is where you can find the STL files that are ready to be sliced. You can add notes with information for the slice configuration. After a file has been sliced, the G-code is sent to the Ready to Print tab. In this tab is where you can validate the G-code. After a G-code has been validated, it can be sent to the print queue for this workflow. When a slot is available in one of the printers, it can be sent to the printer to start the printing process. After it's finished printing, users can leave a review and mark if it's been a successful or failed print. You can personalize the role permissions in the group to assign different people for each of the steps in the workflow.